I'll tell you what, I've been looking forward to this one. This is a Shepherd's Neame Double Stout from Kent in the east, the southeast of England. Now this brewery is in Faversham in Kent, and it holds the title of being Britain's oldest brewery, with notes, historic notes saying it goes back to the 1100s. So 1,000 years ago, 1,100 years ago. Wow. So this comes in at 5.5% ABV, which is a bit on the heavy side. And they say they still use artesian well water drawn up through the Faversham chalk, filtered through the Faversham chalk. It's amazing, isn't it? All that history. Okay, we'll give this a pour, see how it looks. I think it's going to be dark and glorious. Oh, look how dark it is. I'll just let it sit there for a while to settle, then I'll try and put a nice head on it. What a beautiful tan coloured head and dark velvety colour. Okay, I'll give her a taste test. It smells dark and rich. I'll give it a go. Ooh. I can't imagine smashing these during summer in Australia. Again, like my last video, very much a wintry type of drink. Just a couple after dinner in the middle of winter in Kent. Sounds good. I'll finish her off. I love that lacing these beautiful heads leave on the glass. Look at that. I think you can tell it's a quality ale stout by the lacing on the glass. Yeah, this is definitely a nice hearty stout that can be enjoyed. Beautiful colour. Okay, I'll give it another go. That is so good. Cheers everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.